The last factor we will discuss in this section is the cost factor. Sometimes we will find there is a great tool outside that solves the exact problem we have in our application. For example, a shiny modern business flow manager. But before we include it in our architecture, there is an important aspect to look at: its cost. Quite often we see amazing tools that are freely available for commercial use, such as the Apache Foundation tools. However, this can make us forget there are still products out there that cost a lot of money, and this cost must be considered when designing our architecture. For example, let's look again at the Business Flow Manager case. We basically have two options. We can either buy one and then invest time and money in the purchase, setup, training, and support, or we can develop one in-house. Now, the rule of thumb is to always use an existing product instead of developing one, but this rule must be taken with a grain of salt. To validate the choice of using existing product, we must estimate its cost versus its value to the application. If the product costs $100,000 a year and has 200 features, but we only need 5 of them, then it might be a good idea to look at the in-house development option. Smart and effective cost management can make the difference between successful and failed project. Be sure to always be aware of the cost involved in the architecture's decisions.